In this video, I'm going to show you 10 must-have applications every Windows PC needs. Whether you are looking to boost productivity, enhance security, or simply make your life easier, these must-have tools will transform the way you use your PC. Flux is a free software that adjusts your screen's color temperature based on the time of day. It helps reduce eye strain and supports better sleep by shifting your display from bright blue tones during the day to warmer hues at night. The app uses your location to track sunrise and sunset, then automatically changes your screen's lighting. This mimics natural light patterns, which can help your body maintain its circadian rhythm and avoid late-night melatonin disruption. Key features include custom scheduling, movie mode, dark room mode, and controlling connected lights like Philips Hue. It works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For those who spend long hours at a screen, especially in the evening or at night, this offers a simple way to reduce eye strain. O&O Shutup 10++ is a free privacy tool for Windows 10 and 11 that gives users direct control over system settings that affect data sharing and tracking. It doesn't require installation, and it presents a clear list of options to reduce how much information Windows sends to Microsoft. For users concerned about background data collection, it offers a practical way to take control without digging through menus or editing the registry. Settings are organized into categories, and each can be toggled on or off individually. Alternatively, you can apply recommended profiles, balanced or strict privacy, depending on how much functionality you're willing to sacrifice. One of its newer capabilities is disabling Copilot Recall, a feature that stores snapshots of your activity to help with search and memory. Shutup 10++ lets you turn this off entirely, giving you control over whether that kind of data is collected. It's part of a broader effort to let users opt out of features that feel invasive or unnecessary. XNView is a free image viewer and management tool designed for users who work with a wide range of image formats. It supports over 500 file types, including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and even specialized formats like RAW and DICOM. At its core, XNView helps you browse, organize, and view your images efficiently. You can switch between thumbnail, full screen, film strip, and slideshow views depending on your workflow. It also includes basic editing tools, cropping, resizing, rotating, and adjusting brightness or contrast without needing a separate editor. One of its standout features is batch processing. You can convert, rename, or resize hundreds of images at once, which is especially useful for photographers or designers managing large collections. XNView is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and comes in two versions, Classic and MP. MP is the more modern and actively developed version, offering faster performance and broader format support. Single File is a browser extension designed to save entire web pages as standalone HTML files. It captures text, images, styles, fonts, and even frames, preserving the page's appearance and functionality for offline use. After installation, Single File adds a submenu to the context menu that allows you to save a page. Beyond basic saving, Single File offers advanced options. You can annotate pages, highlight text, remove elements, or save selected content. It also supports batch saving like all open tabs or just unpinned ones, making it useful for research or documentation. Single File works across major browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, and more. It's lightweight, open source, and doesn't require an internet connection to view saved pages. For anyone needing reliable offline access to web content, it's a practical tool. Why Not Windows 11 is a free, open-source utility designed to check your computer's compatibility with Windows 11. While Microsoft's official PC Health Check tool offers a quick overview, Why Not Windows 11 provides a more detailed breakdown of your system's hardware and clearly identifies which components don't meet the upgrade criteria. When you run the tool, it scans components like your CPU, RAM, storage, TPM version, secure boot status, and more. Each item is clearly marked, green for compatible, yellow for borderline, and red for unsupported, so you can quickly identify what's holding your system back. It's especially useful for users who meet most of the requirements but still can't upgrade, as it highlights specific issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're troubleshooting or just curious, why not Windows 11 gives you a transparent view of your system's readiness for Windows 11. Everything is a desktop search utility for Windows that dramatically improves how users locate files and folders. Unlike the built-in Windows search, everything indexes file names in real time, allowing near-instant results as you type. Its interface is minimal and responsive, designed to get you to your files quickly without unnecessary steps. The app uses very little system resources and updates its index automatically whenever files are added, removed, or renamed. Notable features include powerful search filters, full support for regular expressions, and the option to bookmark frequently used queries. Users can also exclude specific folders or drives to refine results, and search files based on size or specific text. Everything is free to use and especially useful for users managing large volumes of data or needing fast access to scattered files across multiple drives. WinDirStat is a free open-source disk usage analyzer for Windows. It scans your hard drive and provides a visual breakdown of how storage space is being used. The goal is simple: help users identify large files and folders so they can manage disk space more effectively. The interface includes three main views. First, a directory list sorted by size, showing which folders take up the most space. Second, a tree map that represents each file as a colored rectangle. Larger rectangles mean larger files. Third, an extension list that shows file types and their total space usage. WinDirStat is lightweight and easy to use. It doesn't make changes on its own. You decide what to delete or move. It's especially useful for cleaning up cluttered drives or preparing for backups. Whether you're troubleshooting low disk space or just organizing your files, this tool gives you a clear picture of what's taking up room. Patch My PC automates keeping Windows apps up to date. It scans installed programs, identifies outdated packages, and applies updates quietly so users don't need to check each app manually. You can schedule how often the updater checks for new versions and specify when installation should run, with options for daily or weekly checks so updates happen during convenient maintenance windows. Patch My PC also includes an app library where you can easily install new apps and have them automatically kept up to date. It also gives you an easy-to-use list of all installed apps and packages on your system, so you can quickly uninstall anything you no longer need. Local Send is a free open-source app for sending files and text directly between nearby devices over a local network. It avoids cloud servers and internet routing, keeping transfers private and contained within the local environment. It discovers devices automatically on the same network and supports sending files, folders, and text. Transfers use peer-to-peer connections and can be accepted manually or set to auto-accept, which makes sharing quick and simple. Transfers are encrypted end-to-end, and the data stays between sender and receiver without intermediary storage. There's no account and no tracking. Local Send runs across major platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and provides a web sharing mode for devices without the app. Llama is a platform for running large language models entirely on your local machine. Once a model is downloaded, it operates without internet access. It's managed through a command line interface, but also provides a simple UI for quickly loading models and interacting with them. The command line interface offers more extensive functionality, allowing you to pull, serve, remove, and perform many other operations. Llama supports other chat apps that extend its capabilities. Some let you upload documents like PDFs or text files, allowing the language model to read and respond based on that content. It's a practical way to use AI for research or analysis. Llama is open source and works across macOS, Linux, and Windows. It's designed to be lightweight and efficient, even on modest hardware. That wraps up our list of the 10 essential apps every Windows user should have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.